Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Carter Gentle, and I will be running for the 2020 election as a Republican candidate. And today we're going to be cooking up a good policy. So first we're going to start off with a little bit of legalization of marijuana. Just a little bit. Okay. Then we're going to add 2 shots of deregulation of economy and cutting entitlement spending. Can't forget just a pinch of decreasing government regulation placed on businesses. Perfect. All right, one of our main ingredients is prohibition of abortion, because all right, we're also going to put capital punishment left to federal government. Just a hint of that, yeah. And then promote school choice, okay, because everyone deserves that. We're also gonna add in just a little bit of social scanners, which I'll get to later in my speech. Just the top portion, All right, then we're gonna mix it. Alright, once it's properly whisked, we're going to add just a pinch of what's the just a pinch that we're adding? What are we adding? Going to add a little bit of affirmative action and civil unions. And then we're going to whisk it again. Perfect. Should we do a retake?
No, that was good.
I want to see it. So once we've mixed all that together, you have a very good presidency and a very good year ahead of you. Just add a little bit of that. And then you're ready to serve. Bon appetit.